Shout out to Taxman Sam. He's doing the best he can. Life is a constant struggle, but you can't let it beat you. No, you can't let it beat you. Don't give up on your dreams, even if they all scream and tell you it ain't possible. Fuck that, I don't see no obstacle. Ray Charles to the bullshit. Jump out the side of the car with a full clip. What the fuck did you say? You stole my pit bull, bitch? Nah, it ain't going down like that. You either want my money or you're going down like that. Shout out to Kodak Black.